to Premium Tech Guide. Guys, we all know that Telegram, one of the most popular messaging platform. Everyone uses Telegram now. We often need many Telegram accounts for many tasks. But we did not have enough numbers to open a Telegram account. So today in this special tutorial, how to create unlimited Telegram account. First, we need to connect VPN. On US server, use any VPN, just US server VPN. Guys, look, I connected VPN on US server. Now we need an app, which from we can get number. For Telegram app name, Safum, check description and download this app. You can download from Play Store. Now I open Safum app. Now we need to allow this permissions. Now click sign up button. Look guys, we have got a sign up form. Now we need to fill this form. Now enter your username, must small letter. Enter a password, minimum 4 digit. Enter retype password. Click submit button. Now follow my steps. Now click begin to use. Now wait please. I got an error message. This massage error, please check your data in fields. Click please try again and again. Even then, if we do not succeed in registering. Now simply back and change this username. And follow my steps. Again click begin to use. Now we can got 1 or 2 error message. Then account register successful. Now allow all permission. Now follow my steps. Click setting icon. This our account dashboard. My Safum number. This our number. I will use it in Telegram. Copy this number. Now I open my Telegram app for create a Telegram account. Now paste your copied number. Guys, listen. Fast 3-digit country code. Put this country code and click enter. to wait a moment for auth. Check SafeUm app. And look, we received a message from Telegram. This is OTP. Now copy this code. Paste here your op and do enter. Let's boom. With this same process, you can create unlimited Telegram account. Guys, really that's amazing and call trick. So guys, stay connected with us, subscribe our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon.